Covering a very lovely topic today, that how do I attract a romantic partner, a relationship in my life. Now, I would suggest this, that if you're attracting a specific partner, that doesn't work in manifestation, because when you're thinking about a person and not the person with the right qualities, you're actually getting obsessed, and obsession में एक बहुत ही obsession is a major blockage, a major resistance when it comes to manifestation techniques and the manifestation results. So yeah, clearing it from the very first, from the very intro, that from the very beginning, that I will not tell you any technique here per se, affirmation XYZ, which you will apply and then you'll attract the person you're obsessing about, जिसे आप शादी करना चाहते हो, your girlfriend, your boyfriend. Rather, I'll tell you the easy process of aligning with the right partner, so that maybe that person comes in your life, and if he or she is not meant to be, is not destined to be, you learn the lesson and move ahead, and you attract the person who actually aligns with your higher self. Let's begin. It's gonna be a deep conversation, and the beginning of it is the phase negative, I would say. So यहाँ पे phase negative होगा, phase 0, and then phase ahead, PHASE, the phase. So phase negative is the time when you're actually failing in relationships. Say you've been in situationships, say you're dating people but things are not working out, say you lost a partner, say you broke up, you got divorced, say there's a confusion or toxic relationship, or you being toxic, so things not working out, that is, you are not in a fulfilled relationship. That's phase minus, I would say. Okay? Now in this duration, in this scenario, people usually go through a very rough patch, a lot of stress. If they're facing a breakup, they're not able to understand the biology of breakup, that is, the oxytocin and the dopamine pathways have suddenly retract. I mean, the person is not there, and yet your oxytocin and dopamine is trying to catch up with that feeling. And hence, when you don't get that, your system doesn't get that anymore, your cortisol increases, and also that you keep reminiscing or keep obsessing over the memories of that person just to fulfill those pathways. कि आपका माइंड अंदर जाता है, सामने पर्सन नहीं है तो वो अंदर जाएगा, थॉट्स, मेमोरीज, चैट्स के बारे में सोचेगा, just to fulfill that oxytocin dopamine lack, and the cortisol is very high. Now during this phase, one has to get over the breadcrumbing, get over the insecurities or the time waste as early as possible, and that is why I'm here. फेज नेगेटिव की बात करते हैं, कोई चीज़ काम नहीं कर रही है तो आप चाहोगे कि अगर उसको काम नहीं करना है, इफ इट्स नॉट मेंट टू बी, तो उसमें से आप जल्दी निकलो, राइट? रादर आप उसमें सालों अपना वेस्ट करो. तो इस केस में मैं आपसे कहना चाहूँगी कि टेक अ स्टेप बैक. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट not obsessing over the person or not obsessing over the thought that you don't have a relationship currently, and when others are having that too, when you are at age, it gets very difficult, it gets very uncontrolled, it gets out of hands, you keep being in the same pattern. In this case, my friend, the only modality or method that works is healing the past wounds, improving your qualities, that is desire in the partner, becoming that person, and most importantly, emotional detachment from what's not working. So let me simplify it more, meaning that when something is not working, you're overstressed. अब उस केस में आपको क्या करना है? You'll have to learn to live by yourself, on yourself alone, rather than chasing the person or rather than chasing something which is not working. If you wish to get personalized counseling with me, in the description you'll get the details of my personalized program, which has some investment, but at the same time you get a hand holding of 1 year plus access to my personal WhatsApp, using which I have developed this system so that I bring people out of this confusion and get them to their results very fast, जो कि recorded courses से भले वो cheaper क्यों ना हो, possible नहीं हो पाता है. You can book a discovery call with me. First of all, see the video training, understand what's the investment, then book the discovery call, and then come meet in the discovery call with me and understand how we can work together. So इस negative phase में जितना इमोशनल मैच्योरिटी, जितना इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस और जितना सेल्फ कंट्रोल आप दिखाओगे, उतना आप अपने रिजल्ट्स तक जो मेंट टू बी है तब तक आप फास्टर रहोगे. ब्रेकिंग इट डाउन, नंबर 1, understand what's not working, clearly write it down, understand what you're feeling, release those feelings using exhalation techniques, box breathing, or doing some other NLP techniques. Number 2 is understand ki what is still, what negative pain I'm feeling, where I'm feeling that, and where is it still left. You will have to anyhow come to a point, it will be very difficult, it will not be that easy, but you will have to train your mind and body to come to a phase that doesn't feel painful that much. तो क्या ब्रेकअप के पेन से या फिर इस फोमो के पेन से दैट आई डोंट हैव द राइट रिलेशनशिप राइट नाउ, क्या इससे निकलना बहुत आसान है, बहुत फास्ट हो सकता है? येस, विद द राइट गाइडेंस इट इज़ पॉसिबल. और जब राइट मोडालिटीज़ नहीं पता होती हैं, आप उसी में घूमते रहते हो बिकॉज ऑफ द लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस, बिकॉज ऑफ इग्नोरेंस. लोगों को 4-4, 5-5 साल लग जाते हैं एंड दे कीप रिपीटिंग द पैटर्न्स बिकॉज दे हैव नॉट हील्ड द ओल्ड पैटर्न्स, ओल्ड ट्रॉमास एंड ट्रिगर्स. So the more you are by yourself, with yourself, you understand what's not going wrong, you come to at peace with that. At a service level, I'm telling you, you come at peace with those insecurities of the past relationship not working out or you being alone if there was no past relationship. The more you get to a state of peace is equivalent to the time, the faster you attract a new partner. Okay? Then comes when you are at peace, when you are at par with, okay with what's going on. I give myself some time to understand where I am lacking because universe कहता है कि भैया what's within is without. I'm just reflecting your triggers. I'm in front of, like, if something is not working out, the same patterns are repeating. Universe is just reflecting your undone work, unfinished businesses. तो आपको इस पे काम करना पड़ेगा. यू कैन टेक अ कोच, गेट अ कोच, या फिर आप खुद से खुद को कोचिंग दो, हीलिंग करो, मेंटल मॉडल सीखो और सीखो कि क्या कमी है. नाउ इज द फेज 0. फेज 0 इज व्हेन यू आर अ ब्लैंक कैनवस. आप पुरानी चीज़ों से डिटैच हो चुके हो. यू नो मोर ऑब्सेसिंग, यू आर नो मोर इन फियर, नो मोर इन फोमो, योर कॉर्टिसॉल्स आर मैनेज्ड, यू आर वर्किंग ऑन योर सेल्फ, यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग योर सेल्फ बेटर, यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग what didn't work out, you're understanding what you want in a partner, you're understanding what you don't want in a partner, because I feel that every partner you meet, every relationship you have, if it doesn't work, you at least have a lesson कि मेरे को अभी क्या नहीं चाहिए. So it's all connection of dot, you don't need to stress over it. हम क्या करते हैं, अटैच हो जाते हैं, ऑब्सेस करने लगते हैं किसी के ऊपर. We have to give it some time. And the step number 3 is again, देखो मैं ये बहुत ही एक ब्लैंकेट अप्रोच बता रही हूँ, इसके ऊपर बहुत वर्क होता है, बट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम बिकॉज आपको अपने पैटर्न्स, बिहेवियर्स, थिंकिंग प्रोसेस अपनी हीलिंग करनी होती है. नाउ स्टेप नंबर 3 इज व्हेन step number 2 and 3 are quite, there's a thin line of difference between the same. They are interlinked, they swap, they run parallelly rather. Is when you are finally clear about who you are as a person and also that who you want, what qualities do you exactly want and not want in your partner, what do you think has not worked out and it's not meant for you because that's not aligning with your value system. And also in this phase you develop the courage to be okay to be saying no to something that's not working for you, because a lot of people quit in between and out of desperation they just catch hold of that partner. They just want to marry out of fear. They're unable to overcome their fear of loneliness, of the label society gives कि शादी करना शादी करना शादी करना. तो ये आपका ओवरकम हो जाएगा फेज 2 एंड फेज 3 में, एंड देन यू विल हैव द करेज, ए द करेज टू से नो, एंड बी यू विल हैव द एग्जैक्ट मेंटल मॉडल्स टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ टू अट्रैक्ट द पार्टनर. वो कैसे स्टार्ट होता है, आपने अपने हीलिंग कर लिया, यू आर नो मोर ऑब्सेसिंग, नो मोर इमोशनल ट्रॉमा एंड नो मोर इमोशनल अटैचमेंट टू ए पर्सन. नाउ यू राइट द एग्जैक्ट वैल्यूज यू वॉन्ट इन अ पर्सन. एग्जैक्ट वैल्यूज क्या होगा उस पर्सन में जो मुझे चाहिए, and you claim it boldly to the universe. Now universe reflects not what you just say but rather what you feel. So for example, I say that I want consistency, commitment and communication in a person and I myself don't embody those qualities. तो वो reflect करके सामने से कैसे आएगा, आपको लग रहा है, समझ में आ रहा है? So attracting a relationship is not about getting the person, it's more about becoming the person. So for instance, the qualities you want, are you yourself that? Do you yourself embody those qualities? Otherwise, on a spiritual deeper level, how will the person reflect? Or in other words, how will the person who is reflecting the same qualities that you want will come in front of you? You see? तो ये इतना awesome है. I don't know why whenever I make video, when I talk about something sensible, my nose starts to itch. There's also some sign in this. So these are the 3 phases I feel एक relationship attract करने के लिए होती है. Now why did I say that you should not obsess over attracting a person? Because अगेन क्या है ना कि मेरे कोच ने मुझे बताया था कि यू वॉन्ट टू ड्रिंक कोका कोला, दैट्स फाइन, यू कैन अट्रैक्ट कोका कोला, बट यू सेइंग दैट यू वॉन्ट टू ड्रिंक कोका कोला फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर बॉटल ओनली. सो creepy and so weird example, but then that's true. So what you want is not the person or the face or the body of the person. I understand there is some obsession, there's some attachment, but what you actually want at the end is the feeling your body, your soul, your mind and you will get out of a person, ठीक है, out of the person. So at the end it's the feeling you wish to have. एक person आ भी जाएगा, वो आपको वो feeling नहीं दे रहा है जो कि आप deserve करते हो, जो कि आप crave करते हो, तो क्या फ़ायदा. तो इसको समझो, अगर इससे ओवरकम नहीं कर पा रहे हो, मेरा सपोर्ट लो, बिकॉज आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट स्पेशली रिलेशनशिप की जो जर्नी है इसमें फियर बहुत रहता है. तो अनलेस यू हैव अनदर पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ अ कोच हु हैज गॉन थ्रू दिस, हु हैज ट्रेन्ड पीपल ऑन दिस, इट बिकम्स वेरी टाइम टेकिंग. समटाइम्स जिंदगी निकल जाता है, यू डोंट लर्न द लेसन्स यू वर सपोज टू लर्न. So that being said, moving forward a series will come how to attract more money, how to attract house, how to attract abundance, how to attract good health. आपको जो भी चाहिए हो कमेंट सेक्शन में फील फ्री टू पुट इट डाउन. ऑल्सो मेरा इंस्टाग्राम ये है, इंस्टाग्राम को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. बाय बाय.